Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you another Bing Crosby television special. This one is from 1971. It's called Bing Crosby's Sounds of Christmas. And I apologize, I wish I could have found y'all a better copy to look at. This doesn't look very good, but I tried my hardest. I scoured the webs. You know, it sucks because I have this on DVD. I've got a DVD box set of all of his television specials from Christmas, but I can't get them up here to you for reasons, lots of reasons, like copyright infringement, or my Apple Mac computer doesn't have a disk drive and all that kind of stuff. So I apologize for the quality. It is terrible, but if you can stand it, please watch it. It is a fantastic television special. You all know how I feel about Bing Crosby. I explained it in the last video. It would take me forever to do that here. But Bing Crosby is a huge part of my life. A huge inspiration to me. Anyway, like I said, the quality is terrible for this. You know, it's from a VHS tape, I gather. But I'm puzzled because this aired in 1971. There was no consumer videotape format. VHS wouldn't come out until 1977, and the Sony Betamax didn't come out until 1976. So I'm wondering how they got this to a VHS. I mean, the Sony U-matic videotape system was a thing, but that was not for consumer use. It was for governmental use, schools and government and all that, or broadcasting, which I guess would include government, I guess. But it wasn't for consumer use. So I don't know. But anyway, I'm rambling on here. I hope you enjoy the show. The music is fantastic. Please enjoy Bing Crosby's Sounds of Christmas. It includes his family too, his wife and children. You know, I'm going to touch on that a little bit. He is a big inspiration for a man that was as old as he was, yet he still got a wife that was very beautiful, and he had all those kids, all at a late stage in his life. I mean, his wife didn't die until just recently. Well, not just recently, but like 10, 15 years ago. So, good going, Bing. Anyways, enjoy Bing Crosby's Sounds of Christmas from 1971.
Now, a special program in living color on NBC.
On behalf of 1 million people working to improve your telephone service, welcome to the Bell System Family Theater, sponsored by AT&T and your local Bell company.
Oh, it's a time to be jolly with mistletoe and holly and a happy face. There is something in the air again, a feeling we should share again, a warm and cozy place. We could start with just the two of us, or maybe just a few of us, bringing the whole darn crew of us, talking about the human race. If we just get together, we can laugh at the weather and fill the world with cheer. We could get something going so that even though it's snowing, we could smile away a tear. There'll be so much love and happiness, we will able to say that we feel very, very kind of extraordinary this Merry Christmas Day.
What's that I hear now? The sounds of Christmas. It's that time of year now. The sounds of Christmas.
The merry sound of sleigh bells ringing, the joyful sound of voices carol singing.
and
holly and a
happy
of
face.
Christmas.
There
It's
is
that
something in the air
time
again, a
of
feeling
year
we should
now,
share
the
again, a warm
sounds
and cozy
of
place.
Christmas.
Where we could start
One
with
merry
just two
sound
of
of
us.
sleigh bells
Or maybe
ringing.
just bringing the whole
A
time
joyful
through
sound
of
of
us.
voices,
The human
carols
rain.
singing.
If we just get together, we can laugh at the weather and fill the world with cheer. We could get something going so that even though it's snowing, we can smile away a tear. There'll be so much love and happiness. We'll be busting to say that we feel very happy like ordinary this
Tonight, starring Mary Costa, Catherine, Mary Frances, Nathaniel, and Harry Crosby. The Mitchell Singing Boys. And special guest star Robert Goulet. Join Bing Crosby and the Sounds of Christmas.
Good evening. Welcome to our little Christmas get-together here tonight. We're going to delve into the auditory delights of the season, produce the sounds of Christmas. And I think we're very fortunate, too, because we're going to be able to deliver some of the most adroit delvers in this part of the country. Really, we have the beautiful and talented Mary Costa, the beautiful and talented Robert Goulet, the multifaceted Mitchell Singing Boys, and for a little local color, we also have the house band of Casa Crosby under the most capable leadership of La Senora Crosby.
Ah, mil gracias, querido.
De nada, senora.
All right, children, vámonos. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la.
What is that?
Deck the halls.
Sounds more like wreck the hall.
Darling, the children worked very hard preparing this piece for the holiday.
Yeah, but Dad, don't you like it?
I love. Can't wait to hear your version of Silent Night.
Oh, but you see, the children feel that some of the best sounds of Christmas come out of the kitchen when I'm preparing the Christmas dinner. And this is their way of setting those kitchen sounds to music.
That's right, Dad. We figured we'd get a better sound playing on pots and pans instead of turkey and sweet potato pie.
That sounds like a pretty heavy meal. Have you got some little thing to wash it down with?
You just know we have. Wait till you hear our special second chorus.
I hope it's not so destructive.
Well, I don't know about the destruction, but it's... Ah! Watch out for yourself. Don we now our gay apparel, toll the ancient Yuletide carol.
The sounds of Christmas can sometimes be rather diverse, but however they may vary, they're always constant in one particular. They all herald the arrival of a joyous and a holy time, when the silence of the night was broken by a strange and wonderful sound, and the whole world responded.
Said the night wind to the little lamb, do you see what I see?
See what I see.
Way up in the sky, little lamb. Do you see what I see?
See what I see.
A star, dancing in the night with a tail as big as a kite. With a tail as big as a kite. Said the little lamb to the shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear?
Hear what I hear.
Ringing through the sky, shepherd boy. Do you hear what I hear?
Hear what I hear.
A song, high above the tree, with a voice as big said the shepherd boy to the mighty king. Do you know what I know?
You know what I know.
In your palace warm, mighty king. Do you know what I know?
Do you know what I know?
A child shivers in the cold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Said the king to the people everywhere. Listen to what I say. Pray for peace, people everywhere. Listen to what I say.
Listen to what I say.
The child, sleeping in the night, he will bring us goodness and light. He will bring us goodness and light. Now, most of the sounds of Christmas create a happy response from people. Even the cold winter wind sounds kind of good if you happen to be inside a nice warm house, comfortably listening to it. But if you happen to be outside, like poor old Soapy in the O. Henry story, the cop and the anthem, well then, the cold winter wind sounds like cold winter wind.
Winter's coming on again. I gotta have a place to go. I don't think that I could face the snow this year. I've been chilled to the bone, and I've had it. Bitter days I have known, and I've had it up to here. Summer seems so far away. The wind is blowing up a storm. Am I ever gonna be warm? Till then, guess I must be growing old. But I need a shelter from the cold, or else I may not even be alive to see the day when winter comes again. I don't believe in working, and I don't believe in welfare. I don't believe in taking any charity from anyone. I'm a proud man. I won't go to the mission. I don't like that pious group. They try to soothe your soul with just a bowl of watery soup. You'll never catch me going down that path. 'Cause first of all, and worst of all, they make you take a bath. I'd rather go to jail. Why, that's a perfect place to stay. They give you bed and lodging there, 3 square meals a day. Think I'll go and get myself arrested? I've got to find a way that cannot fail. And if things are going right, and this is my lucky night, I just might spend the next 3 months in jail. In an unexciting, warm, inviting jail.
Things are awfully quiet on the beat tonight. Not a sign of trouble in the air.
Think I'll get me something good to eat tonight. Try that high-class restaurant over there. A nice roast duck and a bottle of the bubbly would suit me fine, and a beautiful dollar cigar to go with the wine. And when the check comes, I'll tell them that I can't pay, so they'll call a cop to take me away to jail.
Awfully quiet on the beat tonight.
3 months in jail.
Things are awfully quiet on the beat.
A table for one, please, my good man. Not too near the band.
A table for none, please, my good man. Here, let me give you a hand.
Well, that didn't work, but I'm not defeated yet. I'll try something else. I'll get the job completed yet. What I need is a gimmick or a way or a trick. What I need is a brick. With a brick, I'll break that great big plate glass window and then go directly without fail to jail.
Somebody broke the window. Does anybody know who did it?
I broke the window, I admit it.
Well, that's nonsense. Now, somebody threw a brick here. Did anyone happen to see?
I saw the whole thing happen.
Well, who was it?
It was me.
Oh, don't be foolish.
Oh, it's true, I say.
Look, the man who threw the brick by now is miles away. He'd be insane to remain here once the deed was done.
But I did it.
No, you didn't.
I'm the one.
Oh, not a chance.
I'm the one.
No, you're not.
I'm the one.
You're not.
I'm the one who threw the brick and broke the window, I confess. Lock me up.
Now, go away.
Lock me up.
Not today. Now, go away before I make you clean this mess.
Some days a fella just can't get arrested. There are times like this when crimes like this don't pay. I've already got a lot of time invested, and I can't afford another long delay. I've just got to get to jail today.
Sir?
Yeah?
That's my umbrella.
I beg your pardon, sir, it's mine.
Well, how could it be yours?
How could it be yours?
I know that it's mine.
How?
By the design. I ought to know my own umbrella, sir. I know it through and through.
But to prove to you it's mine, sir, I will describe it now for you. It is a black silk umbrella with a handle made of wood, and it keeps out the rain real good.
Real well. But that's no proof it's yours, sir.
Why?
For I can also describe it to you.
Oh, but since I've already
Done that. Of course, it's easy now for you to do it too. It is apparent you're accusing me of theft, sir, and examining the choices you have left, sir. I say no way to have this altercation ended, except to call a cop and have me apprehended. Officer, officer.
That won't be necessary. Hush, for goodness sake. It's very possible I made a mistake. I picked up this umbrella in a restaurant tonight. And if you say it's yours, it's very possible you're right. So, here's your umbrella, sir. Please forgive me.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
No hope. No chance at all that I'll wind up in jail tonight. My sainted mother used to sing it at Christmas time. Ah, that was so long ago. Everything sort of went wrong since then. All those wasted years. Begin again. Can we really begin again? Can I begin again? Well, why not? I'm not all that old. Anything is possible. Tomorrow I'll go downtown and I'll look for work. And once I get a job, I'll be back on my feet. Just like that. There'll be no stopping me. No looking back. Yeah, there's a whole new world in store. And I'm going to begin again.
Hey. What are you doing there?
Nothing, officer, nothing.
Around here, we call that vagrancy. I think you'd better come with me.
What do you think will be the penalty?
Probably 3 months in jail.
3 months. January, February, March, April, be spring. Let us go.
Come on, old man.
The beautiful opera star, Miss Mary Costa, is a woman for all seasons, but we're particularly delighted to have Mary with us this Christmas season because her voice is the perfect instrument to interpret some of the beautiful sounds of Christmas. Mary has asked me to announce that she'll not be accompanied by the house band from Casa Crosby.
Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer. Strongly they chime, sound with a rhyme. Peal out the news o'er hill and dale, and around the town telling the tale. Come one and all, happily sing songs of goodwill. Hark how the bells ring. Silver bells ring, sing joyfully. Songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Ding dong, ding dong, that is the song. Ring, joyful ring, go caroling. Hark how they send song without end. Their joy has come to every home. Ring, loudly ring, go caroling. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Sweetly the bells ring, proclaiming the season. Their song is the reason my happy heart sings. La, 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 la.
Mary, I've never heard bells sound more beautiful.
Why, thank you, Bing.
I hope you're not all wrung out now.
Well, let's hope I have a few jingles left.
Great. You take the high part, huh?
Be delighted.
Good.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Well, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
O'er the fields we go, and we're laughing all the way.
Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
So we sing
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the
we're
way.
jingling all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the
We're
way.
gonna have a lot of fun.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingle, ting, ting, ting,
Jingle all the way. Come on, it's lovely when the forest sleigh ride together with you.
jingle all the way. We got bells that jingle, jangle, jingle
bells
as we go riding merrily along.
I say jingle bells.
All of the way,
I say jingle bells.
don't know why.
I say jingle bells.
Night till
I
dawn,
say jingle bells.
right on.
Welcoming down through history's pages.
Bells have been a boon to the human race.
Songs about bells throughout all the ages.
Always bring a bloom to a gloomy face.
Sing about bells,
This is the season.
all kinds of bells.
Don't need a reason, let me hear about them bells.
Oh, I've got rings on my fingers and bells on my toes.
Very dressy.
Elephants to ride upon my little Irish rose.
Elegant.
So come to your neighbor on this Christmas day. I'll be Mistress Mumbo Jumbo Dolly all day. Oh, Shay.
All the bells of St. Mary, all here they are calling. God loves the true loves that come from the sea.
And so my
beloved, when red leaves are falling, the love bells shall ring out for you and me. The bells are ringing for me and my gal. The birds are singing for me and my gal.
Ask me how do I feel now that we're cozy and clinging.
What's your attitude?
Well, sir, all I can say is if I were a bell, I'd be ringing.
You're in shape.
And if I were a season, I'd surely be spring. And if I were a bell, I'd go ding, dong, bing.
Thanks for the filling.
Sing about bells,
Keep 'em on ringing.
all kinds of bells.
Keep on singing.
Jingle bells, for they're jingle bells.
But let's not leave out the swingle bells. Jingle bells, any kind of bells, any kind of way.
When you sing, we love 'em all.
Ah, but you're the bell of the ball in a one horse jingling, jangling all of the way.
There's no place like home for the holidays, 'cause no matter how far away you roam, when you pine for the sunshine of a friendly game, for the holidays you can't beat home, sweet home. I met a man who lives in Tennessee, and he was heading for Pennsylvania and some homemade pumpkin pie. From Pennsylvania, folks are traveling down to Dixie's sunny shore. From Atlantic to Pacific, gee, the traffic is terrific. Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays, 'cause no matter how far away you roam, if you want
chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows some turkey and some mistletoe help to keep the spirits bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa is on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Mary Frances, when do you think you're going to hang up that ballet dancer?
Well, she's my favorite ornament. I want to put her in just the right spot.
Or maybe she should have a tree of her own.
Maybe she should. Maybe she should have a whole forest of her own, so she could dance and dance to her heart's content.
You think you can hang up that doll before New Year's?
Okay.
Women, they get carried away by the strangest thing. Hey, what's this?
How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to spend the holiday away across the sea? How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to hang your stocking on a great big coconut tree? How'd you like to stay out late like the islanders do? Wait for Santa to sail in with your presents in a canoe. If you ever spend Christmas on Christmas Island, You will never stray, for every day your Christmas dreams come true. How'd you like to stay up late, like the islanders do?
Santa sailing with his presents in a canoe.
If you ever spend Christmas on Christmas Island, you will never stray, for every day your Christmas dreams come true. Aloha, aloha, you will never stray, for every day your Christmas dreams come true.
Nathaniel, I'm finished. Men sometimes get carried away by the strangest things.
Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays, 'cause no matter how far away you roam, if you want to be happy in a million ways, for the holidays you can't beat home, sweet home.
Ho, ho, ho. A ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. C is for the candy trimmed around the Christmas tree. H is for the happiness with all the family. R is for the reindeer prancing by the window pane. I is for the icing on the cake as sweet as sugar cane. S is for the stocking on the chimney wall. T is for the toys beneath the tree so tall. M is for the mistletoe where everyone is kissed. A is for the angels who make up the Christmas list. S is for old Santa who makes every kid his pet. Be good and he'll bring you everything in your Christmas alphabet.
Hey, Bing, how do you like being a Santa Claus?
The only job I ever heard of, when they hire you, they give you the sack.
Oh! Bob, where can you get dressed up in a red suit and carry a sack on your back?
Well, I have a Santa Claus in my contract.
Look out! Don't get too close to me.
Why not?
I have Santa Claustrophobia.
Hey, Mary, what happened to you last year when you slid down that chimney and the fireplace was lit?
That's when I invented hot pants.
Do you like reindeer?
I prefer snow, darling.
Around the Christmas tree. H is for the happiness with all the family.
R is for the reindeer prancing by the window pane. I
is for the icing on the cake as sweet as sugar cane.
F is for the stocking on the chimney wall. T
is for the toys beneath the tree so tall.
M is for the mistletoe where everyone is kissed.
A is for the angels who make up the Christmas list.
S is for old Santa who makes every kid his pet.
Be good to bring you everything in your
Christmas alphabet.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day.
Some of the most glorious sounds of Christmas are the sounds of the traditional carols. No matter how many times we hear them, they never seem to lose their beauty or their significance.
Comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy.
Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by, yet in thy dark street shine the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all thy years are met in thee tonight.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With the angelic voice proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth.
Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth.
A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices.
For yonder breaks a new and glorious morn.
just to certain poor shepherds in fields where they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
About 25 years ago, Mr. Irving Berlin strung together a clutch of words and music that have become sort of a special sound of Christmas to a lot of people. Now, if I may, I'd like...
You're talking about White Christmas, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well, we were just wondering, since there's so many wonderful voices on the show, we thought it would be fun to take a vote and see who would sing it.
Nope. As I was saying, Mr. Berlin wrote this song 25 years ago, and through
Dad,
the...
about White Christmas.
Not a chance. Seems to be an excess of zeal here this evening. I applaud zeal, but after all, there are certain things.
Bing.
Forget it, Bob.
Hit it, Nick.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be bright. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas,
We'd like to thank Mary Costa, Bob Goulet, the Mitchell Singing Boys, and all of you for sharing with us this hour of Christmas sounds on the Bell System Family Theater. Let's hope that it won't be too long before the most important sound of Christmas, the sound of peace on earth, is heard all over the world. Good night and happy holidays.
Tom Brokaw. President Nixon offers to devalue the dollar. Dhaka defenses crumble before Indian bombardment. And Californian Mary Harbert, released from a Chinese prison, is in good health in an Army hospital. I'll have details on these stories and more news tonight at 11 here on Channel 4.
Yeah, I love that show. That is a very great TV special. I wish I could have gotten it for you in a better quality, so I really do apologize. I feel terrible about that. But that is one that needs to be seen if you're searching for content, looking for the most important Bing Crosby content, you know. I think that television special should be included in that. Right alongside Ichabod Mr. Toad from Disney. I mean, unfortunately, because he was an entertainer from the turn of the century all the way up until the 70s, he's got more audio content than he does video content. Meaning, there's a lot more radio shows and stuff than there is actual television content. Because, of course, his heyday was the 30s and 40s. There was no television. I mean, his radio show started in the 30s, and it went all the way until the 60s. Because you got to remember, even in the 50s, most people didn't have televisions. Not average people. Wealthy people did. Average people didn't. The average person didn't even get a TV set until like 1960 or 61. And even then it was just black and white. I mean, the average person didn't get a color TV until the 70s. So, which he died in 77. So, proving my point. He was an entertainer from a no television time. Anyway, I'm rambling on like I always do. I apologize. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you on the flip side.